Hi guys, my name is Caroline Wamboi and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. So today I just decided to take you through my morning and my day-to-day cleaning. Yeah, I'll just take you through what I do every day, the cleaning I do every day. And it's actually a must do cleaning every morning. I believe everyone has that cleaning that they must do every day. However, thorough or deep or small it might be, there is that thing you actually do every day. So that is what I'll be taking you through. Later on, I'm going to show you what I managed to make. I made some my homemade washing, what do we call it, some homemade soap and bleach and many more. So stick around and make sure you leave a comment at the end of the video.
One of us seems to circle the other, and as you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? Out of mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival, I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide.
So after finishing with laundry in the morning, the first stop I usually make is in the living room to just make sure that it's tidy. And for the carpet, I just usually sweep it a little bit. Yeah, I said I only do deep cleaning on Friday. Yeah, because I go to work, by the way, so I have to be really fast in the morning. Yeah, so that I can leave early and come back early before my daughter comes back from school. Yeah, so I just swept my carpet, and as you can see, it's not dirty. There are just a few particles that I needed to clear up, and particles will always be there as far as you are in the house, and as far as you have toddlers in the house, you have to have some dirty carpet that you must keep on sweeping. The other thing that I normally do is mopping that part that isn't covered by the carpet. I do it daily, and but I only use some water, soap, and disinfectant. That is a must for me every morning. Yeah.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
For the toilet bowl, whenever I don't have the cleaning detergents like Harpic, I normally just use what do we call it, scoring powder. Like on this day I didn't have, so I used what was available, and I usually pour the scoring powder or the Harpic earlier before. Then as I come to clean, I add in another one. So for the floors, I think I've said earlier in another vlog that I usually scrub it every day after laundry, and here I'm just using some soap, yeah, some liquid soap to do the scrubbing. Another thing I normally do, though I didn't show you as I do it because I had done it after laundry, was scrubbing that lower tile. I just make sure I clean it every morning because it's one of the dirtiest tiles in the bathroom. Yeah, because of the splashing of the soapy water here and there.
Echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone. Now I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my find you in my I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
My kitchen is so squeezed. I think you will realize that while I am cleaning, and normally most of the days I just usually clean that area that you can see. Yeah, for the cooker I don't usually pull it every day. I just pull it once in a while because yeah, maybe thrice or yeah, thrice a week. That's enough to just clear off the particles that normally fall behind it. Yeah, that's how squeezed the kitchen is. You can't do the cleaning like thoroughly every day because there is no space to even pull everything that is in that kitchen. But otherwise, that's how I do my cleaning. That's my daily to day cleaning, and that is a must for me to do it every day before I leave the house.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you.
Guys, we finally made our homemade soap, and yeah, I didn't put it immediately in containers. I've allowed it to rest for, I think, the whole night because I made it yesterday evening. And this is the homemade soap, 5 liters, and this is bleach. Yeah, and the two costed me only 230 shillings. 130 for the mixtures I used to make the soap, and 100 for the mixture I used to make the jik. So if you have not tried making this soap, it's just straightforward, and you can try making it because I've already tried using it. By the way, when I was mopping the floor, this is what I used to mop, and it's really thick. You have to use just a little bit because has a lot of foam. So let me pack it into my containers. So for the soap, I'll be putting it here in this 5-liter bottle. Then for the bleach, because I don't have such, I'm going to use these two bottles before I can get a big one like this one.
In the sedation, idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks.
So the color of the soap is blue, as you can see, but you realize that it's not completely like blue. You have the option of making the color as dark as you wish or as light as you wish. For me, I just used a little bit of the color because I just feared it staining the floor or anything I'll be using, because I realized as I was mixing that the color is so deep. Yeah, even when it gets to your hand, you just have to use something to scrub it off. That's why I just use a little bit in my soap.
Into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me.
So guys, here we go. The soap is here already, and my jig is here, but I'll have to go look for a big container like this one right away because there's still some more remaining here, about 2 liters or so. Yes, because these ones will use a lot of space while storing if I'll have to put in such. So let me just go look for such, then I will come and show you after I have just done what? After I have packed everything. But this one, I know it will take me for such a long time, maybe a month or so. 5 liters ni mingi sana. And for the jik, I don't know when I'll buy jik because I don't use it so much nowadays. So this one could go like for 4 months or so, the 5 liters. So let me get a container, then I'll show you what we got. I got the container and there it is. So this is the jik and that is the homemade soap. So I think next time I will just make some Star Soft. I really need two. Yeah, then I'll be sorted probably for the next few months. So alongside, I decided to tag you as I made my breakfast, and this will be my breakfast stroke lunch because it was about 10 a.m. and yeah, for breakfast I just had some toasted bread and a cup of tea, and that was it. It was that simple. new to this channel, allow me to welcome you at this stage. Feel very welcome. In this channel, you are going to find a lot of homemaking content like cleaning. You are also going to get organizing videos, also some cooking here and there, and of course some hauls and makeovers whenever we have the money. I also want to thank my premier gang and my returnees. I don't take your time for granted. Thank you for always sparing your time to just come and catch up with my content. And thank you for helping my channel to grow every day. I don't take it for granted. May God bless you. May God bless your families. And for all those who have running channels, may God lift them up. Yeah.
We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I